On to politics now. Two of the five Democrats competing for Attorney General turned on each other today during a broadcast debate. Bill Lambden was listening closely. He joins us now with more on this race and how it's shaping up. Good evening, Bill.
Well, good evening, Jim. The Attorney General has proven to be a stepping stone for advancement. It provided the governor elected in 2006 and the leading gubernatorial candidate in this election cycle. Given that history, there's no shortage of applicants this time around. 5 Democrats are competing in a primary a week from next Tuesday. All but Eric Schneiderman made time for this debate held by WAMC Public Radio. By the way, the 4 present all say they have no interest in anything else, the standard political response to that question. Although in candor his opponents might argue is overly optimistic, Eric Dinalo did volunteer he wouldn't mind being Attorney General of the United States. After hearing Nassau County District Attorney Kathleen Rice claiming not to be a politician.
I am not a politician. I never have been.
Sean Coffey pointed out that this was her 3rd try for elective office in 5 years and had some big-time backing.
She decided to accept hundreds of thousands of dollars from the tort law firm of Weitz and Luxembourg, which is Shelley Silver's law firm.
When her turn came, Rice returned fire.
It's really arguable whether you are the person in this race who has had actually more involvement in more political races than anyone else on this panel.
Coffey then sniped back at Rice.
One thing District Attorney Rice left out in her litany of the contributions I gave was the $5,000 she asked me to give her for her reelection last year before she understood that I was running for office. And she doesn't like my contributions now, but she certainly held on to that money.
Now, apart from the back and forth between the 2 candidates, during time they were supposed to be addressing other topics, by the way, the 4-way debate was appropriately lawyerly. I knew when I wrote that I wasn't going to be able to say it, which some might call dull. Eric Schneiderman said he had a scheduling conflict. The Democratic primary winner faces Staten Island DA Dan Donovan, the Republican nominee, in November. Bill Lambden, News Channel 13.
Well done, Bill.